Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture, we will learn how to collect emails from Instagram. So let's start. Open web store extension. For extension downloading, right here email extract. Install this one. Then write email hunter. Install this one. I will add these two extensions and highly recommended to use these because these are very helpful. This is downloading and added this. So now write here site instagram.com, right here location like USA, then write here keyword like fashion, then write target domain like gmail.com, then go to setting and go here for 100 searches on this page. Check this search has 3 pages and these extensions. Click on this extension and enable auto search. Then refresh this and check this. This will collect all emails from all pages automatically. Click on email hunter and then go to all emails and copy them and paste them into Excel sheet. Then clear them and you can change any domain name like hotmail.com. Go to email hunter and then click all emails. Just click here. Then try a new domain name like yahoo.com. Start this. This page has 3 searches. This search has 3 pages. This will collect all emails from all pages automatically. Then go to email hunter, then click on all emails, copy them, clear them and paste it here. Check I have collected 200 emails just in few seconds.